What's up, YouTube? I think I'm going to shoot a couple videos on the process of painting this truck. Here's kind of where I'm at right now. I've already painted the roof separately. Turned out pretty good. But yeah, taking it down to bare metal, then priming, then painting. Obviously, step one for me is scratching up the paint real good so that the aircraft paint stripper can kind of soak in better, and then covering it with this drop cloth so that it doesn't all evaporate. So there's that. I'll pour some aircraft paint remover, then get back to that in 45 minutes. Alright, I got a good section of the hood covered. Gonna wait 45 minutes, and in the meantime I'll start working on masking stuff off and finishing this side. It's not quite completely done, so update soon. It's been 45 minutes, time for the big reveal. I think the big secret . Man, this looks way too good to prime over. I just want to clear coat it. But this is the kind of surface that the primer is just going to be like, hell yeah, brother, I'm sticking to this bad boy. I guess that's what I want. But oh yeah.